Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 8 by Seraphic Era Publications. Let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 45, quiz time. Now here in this chapter we are going to read the questions and mark the answers from the given options. Let's begin with the exercise now. Let's begin with the first one. The question is, look at the series 36, 34, 30, 28, 24 and dash. Which number should come next? If you look carefully to the question, in this question you are seeing the difference of 2, then again a difference of 4, then again a difference of 2, again a difference of 4, and again here for this number we have to subtract, that means a difference of 2. So 24 minus 2 is equal to 22, hence the answer is B, 22. Moving on to the second question. Second question is, look at this series, that is 22, 21, 23, 22, 24, 33 and dash. Which number should come next? Again, if you look at the series very carefully, children, there are two patterns going on. One is on the above, another down below. They have alternate numbers written, 22, then 23, then 24, and the next will be obviously 25, because they are following the pattern. The above numbers we have to follow because we are asking for the numbers which are above. The pattern is being followed for down, 21, 22, 33. That means here 25 will come, but if a number was asked after 23 here, after 25 it would have been 24. So they have only asked for one answer, hence the answer here is 25. That means C. Moving on to the third question. They say, look at the series 53, 53, 40, 40, 27, 27. That means after writing the same number exactly, copying the same number, they are subtracting it by 13, then they get 40. Copying the same number, then again they are subtracting 13, they have got 27. Again, by copying the same number, they will now here subtract 13 and they will get the answer as 14. So this is the correct answer. Then the fourth question is, look at this series 21, 9, 21, 11, 21, 13, 21 dash. Now here we don't have to follow the above range. Why? Because above range number series are same. They are the alternate number 21, 21, 21. But the number next to 21, what it should be, we have to follow the down series. That is 9 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13, and that means plus 2, 15. So here the correct answer is 15, that is B. So question number 5 is, look at this series 58, 52, 46, 40, 34. Which number should be the next? And if you notice carefully, they are subtracting 6 from every number. 58 minus 6 is 52, 52 minus 6 is 46, 46 minus 6 is 40, and 40 minus 6 is 34. Then if you subtract 34 minus 6, the answer is 28, and hence the answer here is B, 28. Question number 6 is, look at this series again. You will notice now there is a haphazard going on in this question. We have 3, 4, 7, 8, 11, 12. Which number should come next? First, what they are doing is 3 plus 1 is 4. Then come down below. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. Hence your answer is D, 15. Moving on to the last question. It is, look at the series 8, 22, 8, 28, 8 dash. Which number should come next? Here they are writing alternate number 8, but for the second number we have 22 plus 6, that is 28. That means 28 plus 6 is going to be 34. That means the answer is D, 34. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.